Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Bonjour, hello, further update on the snows. Now, probably been asking if you've seen the last 2-3 videos why I say snows. It's not just one snowfall, it's a load. We're waiting on the third one, the third storm to come through here. But I'll just give a quick scoot around and show exactly what has and hasn't been happening the last couple of days. This is now Monday, and it's 2 days since we were last kind of covered in snow. And you'll see some of it's melting, some of it's not. The important stuff isn't. Just see. Let's have a look. We've got plenty of snow at the top anyway. Now, obviously the forests are bare. The trees that have caught snow have shed a lot. That's why the snow underneath here is all kind of browny. It's all the pine needles. Dead pine needles. That's where we look over behind Crayview, more or less the same situation, but up the top is definitely thicker snow. And if we look away across the distance there, this is over towards Puy-Saint-Vincent, you'll see the snow line quite pronounced. Now that's south facing, so the snow line on the south facing is round about 2-3-ish. I don't know exactly, hard to tell from here, but that's what it looks like anyway. Down here, all the cleared snow areas have all melted away, so there's no problem manoeuvring around, going around. Although the main important part is we've got a little store of snow there, and also the pistes are intact and quite thick. They look about 400-500 millimeters, 40-50 centimeters thick. We've got this ready to go, the restaurant just above here, for transportation, but it still has to clear itself up behind, which is why it's got the groomer in the back and the thingy in the front as well. So up here, and yeah, all very quiet, all very brown, although it's possible to see up the very top. The little trees at the top there are white, so it's been snowing up there. It's just the snow line with the temperatures has gone up to about 2-3, 2-4 up there. We do actually behind, if I'm looking directly south here, away behind here, the next massif's over, and over the other sides where they've had a lot of storms and a lot of flooding in the south, in Vars, in the Camargue. Pretty sad situations going on down there, but none of it seems to have hit here. Just been very light flutters of snow a couple of times the last couple of days, but that's it. So I'll give the next report when we have another snowstorm, storm number 3, which we're waiting on, which is forecast to arrive in about 2 days' time, 3 days' time. Let us see. So that's the latest on the snow's arrival. There's nothing really to report. Just it's melted back a bit. It's about 3 or 4 degrees Celsius today. Getting down to minuses at nights, right enough, but the ice just melts during the day with the temperature of the air, if there's a little flurry of rain or whatever. So there we go. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down here, or there, bing. And only one thing left to say. Ciao.